All right, so right now I'm getting ready to make some hot chocolate.
So we're gonna pass to the cabinet to collect any items you would like to discard.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe.
Alright, boom. So I'm using chocolate hemp milk. I'm not cheating, but it's just regular hemp milk with cacao in it, and we also have a hemp milk video, so that's going to be connected to this video. So to make this, you're going to need 2 cups of hemp milk. No?
You want to taste it on camera for the first time?
I'm not tasting this shit.
I was both taste it.
I never even had the regular hemp milk raw. That's not true. We definitely had cereal.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a cup. You're gonna get a cup.
I don't want to taste it. I don't want to taste it.
We'll put a grain.
There's a cup right there.
We'll put a grain. We need 2 cups.
Just pour it in 1 cup.
But then we sip at the same time? Because what if it's not good and I make a face? You're not gonna want to drink it. So I feel like I'm gonna get it.
Who's cleaning these cups? And how much you trying to put in there? I was gonna try and do something, but you know, since you want to put it like that.
Oh, how about put it here? Since you're gonna make
No.
you make hot chocolate.
Okay. So Donovan made me make the chocolate hemp milk that I didn't want to make in the first place.
All right, here we go.
That's mad.
That's
much.
not even that much.
That's mad much. Stop.
Let me pour some back in here. Okay. Yeah, you got to back into the frame there. Damn, that shit picked me up mad fast.
I want to try this shit.
All right, here we go. Ready, set.
I don't taste like nothing.
It's plain.
Yeah.
That's fun. That was uneventful. Kind of nasty, honestly. It tastes mad regular.
It tastes healthy.
Yeah.
It tastes like mad plain and shit.
Yeah.
But okay, so now I'm gonna go
Can you
into.
put oil in there? Is that like a?
Why would you want to add oil?
For some flavor. Some consistency.
That's not how oil works.
Are you sure? Cause that shit's so bad. You sure?
He swear he was doing something. You want to know why? Because the dates probably would have gave it like some sweetness or something.
You don't know
That's literally hemp seeds and water.
And the cacao.
Get off, get away. He said it so matter of fact. And cacao.
You should have. Oh.
No.
You put coconut sugar in there.
No.
Yeah, you know that shit would have been slapping. Yeah, you know.
So, since I'm making.
Don't drink that, guys.
Oh.
That shit's terrible.
Bruh, this is our recipe.
What? I know. Don't drink that.
Add facts. Add some dates. Add some dates.
You don't know that yet. It might kill you. You don't know.
Donovan.
Now it might kill you.
Donovan magically somehow convinced himself that dates have lectins in them, and even if it did, it would only be in the seed. So if you're eating pitted dates,
or the skin.
but if you roast it, I don't think it has the same amount of lectins in it.
But we're not roasting.
They dried it, so that kind of counts as roast.
Don't count.
Either way, the dates, there's no scientific thing that said, I asked him to pull it up, he can't pull it up because it don't fucking exist. In his head, he probably read the date or something like that, but dates don't have lectins in them.
Alright, when I pull it up right now, what you gonna say?
Pull it up then.
Alright.
It's nowhere to be found. There's nothing wrong with dates. But Donovan swear up and down that the dates is the problem.
Alright.
Anyways, back to this tutorial. You want to pour 2 cups of well, it depends on how many people you're making hot chocolate for. Since I'm making it for Donovan and it's 2 cups. But if you're making it for 1 person, 1 cup is fine. So I'm gonna turn my stove on. Pour I feel like that's a good amount. Dang, that's like half the hemp milk. Crazy. And for every cup of milk in there, you want to add some cacao powder. Now, cacao is completely different from cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is refined. Cacao powder is raw. There we go. So this is organic raw cacao powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and take, you know, like, I feel like this might be enough for both of us. Boom. And you just want to stir vigorously. You can use a whisk too to minimize any clumping. Is the whisk clean, babe? Can you wash the whisk? When I fuck up this hot chocolate, I don't want to hear nothing. To whisk the hot chocolate.
Because you're going to use spoons for everything. There's a fork right there. It's the same thing. Why are you still doing this?
Watch when you get like 5 clumps of cacao in your hot chocolate.
Because you want to use a spoon. Use a fork.
What difference does that make?
Why you getting whisked? Huh?
Can you just do that one thing for me?
Oh my god. There's always one thing.
Facts.
One more thing.
Yep.
One more thing. There's no whisking.
So where is it? I feel like it's in there. Listen, I'm making hot chocolate for you.
Listen, I didn't say too much.
I might not need the whisk anymore, but...
No, I'm going to push it in your head. I'm like, I don't understand.
Could you pass me the salt?
With one hand. Go ahead.
I think I'm about to buy an air fryer.
Huh? You want to go in with your sugar. I'm going to use coconut sugar, because why not? So this is about, I want to say a teaspoon. And just keep stirring vigorously. Now you could pretty much make this recipe with any like milk alternative that you're comfortable with. And boom, now that everything is fully incorporated, I'm going to turn your stove off. And we'll pour you some hot chocolate. There you have it. Some hot chocolate. If you have like coconut milk, you can make like a coconut milk cream, whipped cream to put on top, or with aquafaba. But I'm not doing that today. So yeah. And if you feel like it's not sweet enough, you could also add agave after the fact to bring it to your liking.